Right, party people, we have a Corsa. It's got the wrong wheel on it. That one's a 14-inch and the other one's a 16, so it's got to have a matched pair for its MOT, so it has to be either two 14s, two 16s across the axles. So that one can get in as a spare now. It's actually quite an old tyre as well, 2015. So brake pads, you can see there how worn they are. Not much meat left on there at all, so there for the bin. She's also, unfortunately, the little Corsa bus has broken spring in there as well, so you can see that one. This is all broken, so I'm about to take the wheel off here, giving it a grease up, and you can see it wasn't going to be long until those P's and D's went into the metal as well. Yep, even worse in there, so very worn. So we didn't find anything else wrong with it, and there is another alloy the lady had, the alloy, so she ended up in black. So she'd rolled it down the hill. She says, I'll just roll it down. So she'd rolled it down the hill, and jeez, the colour of the last time she rolled it down. But see her in there, so get the P's and D's off. We'll get all of this all cleaned up, get all of that spotless, get new pads in this one, get it serviced, get the spring done, and then hopefully tomorrow morning we'll just get the new tyres on it and get it away for its MOT. All good in the hood. If you haven't already, hit the thumb, hit subscribe, have yourselves a great old Monday. Right, so I cleaned all that up. Want all that spotless, man. Don't want to be having any brake jitters unnecessarily, you know, a bits of rust on the back of that flange when it could be avoided. So take your wire wheel, in this instance it was a 3M Scotch Brite on the end of the drill. Does a trick, does a good job. Make sure you clean your brake carriers up, clean your slides, make sure the pistons are free in the calipers. If you've got really rubbish looking flexies, please change them, you know. Not leaving the rust. You know, the hoses should be changed anyway as a serviceable item. A lot of people don't bother. And you see the brake fluid ends up black, soaks in all the water. Osmosis, I think you call it. Anyway, these little ones as well, right? That's them tight, okay? That's it. That doesn't need to be horsed up, eh? I did have one guy come in one time telling me I've left these discs insecure, and Quick Fit said it was left dangerous. So the gaffer, as he does, comes in shouting, "Kearney, where have you? You've left these discs insecure. You Kearney, sir, left the discs insecure." I says, right, well look, these are broken, sheared off. I says, did the guy drive it here with no wheels on it? He says, no. I says, so how's the disc insecure? What do you mean? I says, well, what's holding the disc on? Oh God, you're right, Kearney. Yep. So sometimes these can shear, so there's no point in horsing them right up. I've cleaned them as well, so they should come off the next time. Right, so we got a busted spring, we've got a coil off. See, we've done the pads and discs on there. You see, they're rather worn then. Yeah, so surprised if that one wasn't actually scraping that disc yet with that wear indicator. You can see the inner pad as well, really thin. Not much meat left on there at all. And obviously we gave the broken spring, so you can see in there she be broken. So there's a big nut up there, 2 bolts. Take this strut off, let me get a spring compressor out. Very dangerous. It's very dangerous. It's dangerous, my middle name. I hate doing springs, man. I hate doing springs. Hate it. Nobody does, I don't think. No mechanic. Find me a mechanic that likes doing springs. And that guy's off his head. My phone is ringing. Right, so P's and D's all done. These are from a different one. These ones were well worn as well. So yeah, well worn. So new P's and D's. Cleaned all that hub up as well. Flat disc. So we'll get a spring change now. Right, so we've done our filters. See, it's a hinged filter. Right, I always like man OE filters, but if we look down here, get my torch out actually. I think I'll be able to see that. If we look down, I've not noticed it before on them. It's actually hing that make the filter housing. So there you go. That's good, isn't it? So, and it had its original air filter in it, 2015. So GM original air filter, that one. So really needed that one. So we've done the spring, we've done the P's and D's. That's so broken one now. You see how that rot on it broken. So we did the springs, did the pads and this, did the new anti-roll bar link. Now, there isn't any plain anti-roll bar link, right, but we need to take that off anyway, so there's no extra labour in fitting it. And you know, what's the point in taking it off and then the customer's back in a month's time and you find, well, that's knocking, and then they need to pay for it because we're not stripping it at that point. So we're stripping it at this point because of the broken springs. So for me, it's good practice, right? Now, if it was your own car and you were handy with the spanners, then just leave it, okay? But you know, if you need to pay for it, you as well as just getting it done when you're getting a new spring. So that's my opinion anyway. So we did the air filter, we did the oil filter. We're waiting on some tyres coming for it, which will be in the morning. Really, my oil drainer's up there with an intercooler stood up in it, so I've just put a bucket under it at the minute. So basically we just need to put the new sump plug washer in and fill up the oil. Basically that's oil for it there. The exhaust 2, the customer in the Vauxhall Corsa, we had some 540 in the boot. Intermittent timing chain rattle. It might not be because of the oil, but that's the oil that goes in most of the Vauxhalls that I know, which is Dexos 2. And then somebody came in earlier on as well and asked, how can you not just give me a price for the service? I said, there's so many different oils, we don't even know what oil goes in your car at the minute. And he says, how can there be so many different oils? And I says, right, well look, here's what I've got in stock. Dexos 2, 3 litre, that's wrong now, that's gone. So 530 LS Pro, we've got 3 litre of that. Dura Pro, 530 Dura Pro, we've got 8.5 litres of that, and 0.4 030 PSA, we've got 4 litres. So, you know, and there's more up there. There's more different types. I mean, look at all those red cans. I don't want all those red cans, but there's absolutely nothing we can do with the amount of different cars, engines, different specifications, oil. Absolutely nothing we can do. And I slagged one of my mates as well. I says, man, you need to get rid of all these oil cans, man. Just get a big barrel. That big barrel at the back there, there's still oil in it. Very few cars it does now, to be honest with you. I'll do kind of up to, probably 2010, you're fine, but after that, I only got that a couple of years ago, so it just shows you how long it's lasted, you know what I mean? And we've been having to buy in the cans, so nothing we can do, so as what it is. So anyway, haven't already, hit a big thumb up, give that subscribe button a bash, you know, have yourselves a great old day, man. Right, see, we've got the driver's one. So we put a big D on it for dick mode. Right, so that's for the driver's side. This is the passenger's one. It's always the passenger one that gets it. So you see that one's been chunked out the curb. So that was completely flat. So the young lady wrote that down this morning, and she got black, absolutely covered, man. So there you go. So we'll await those 2 tyres in the morning now. So see if this has stopped dripping. Pretty much, nearly there. Nearly there. So we have a new sump plug. There it's right there. We have a new sump plug. Comes with a brand new seal on it. Not taking any chances, guys. So there you go. Haven't already. Hit a big thumbs up for the Corsa SE, fastest vehicle in the world. Will be now. New brakes on it. It's going to have new tyres in the morning. New oil filter. New air filter. Fresh new oil. So should be good to go. Good to go. Happy days. Hit the thumb. Hit subscribe, man. Have yourselves a great old day, okay? Right, I was not expecting that. I'm going to speak to the customer again. That's a brand new sump plug. Right, brand new sump plug. That's the one that was in it. So I put the brand new one in it. Always screw it in behind. Tighten it up with that. Just you can. I think it says on it. Right, I think it says 14 Newton meters. So pretty much not a lot, to be honest with you. But I just went to tighten that up there. I was like, that's not tightening. Something's not right. So had a wee look inside. I'll give it another little spray. It will start dripping again, but I'll give it a little spray just to show you. So as you can see, I'll try my best anyway. So if we look up, right, okay, that oil's coming down on there now. So, but right, so we'll try our best. If you can look up there, you can see there's a big chunk out the thread, right, and it's got some insert in it, so somebody's came and helicoiled it at some point. So I'm going to put the old sump plug in and see if that will tighten. My new one will not tighten onto that. Just it doesn't seem to be tightening. I couldn't trust it wouldn't leak. So I'll try the old one again and see what happens. But I couldn't get it to tighten up. Just did not want to go. And obviously you can see that there. It's only meant to be 14 Newton meter. I just need to go with that. I don't like that. I really don't like that, guys. Doesn't feel right to me. So I'll need to say to the customer that I've had to put the old one back in it, and we're just going to need to check it and see. But it really needs a sump now. So whoever's put that on the last time, now that's 100% got a helicoil in it, an insert. So you just never know. I mean, you don't expect that when you're just in a service, because I mean somebody's animalled that or something in the previous mechanic that's worked on it. So it's unfortunate. We'll need to speak to the customer now and see what they want to do about it. Right, it's only been running for a couple of minutes, but I've not seen anything leaking out it so far. But I really don't like that. It's not something. A helicoil is fine in some things. Maybe I just went a bigger bolt size on that and just tapped the hole a bit bigger. I don't know what we'd be able to do with it now. Maybe just replace that sump. That'd be expensive, that being alloy. If it was a metal one tin plate, it'd probably be quite reasonably priced, but obviously that's alloy. So obviously we've got a new sump plug there, which we're hoping now we kind of send that back now, and you can see it has been in, so it's not been cross-threaded or nothing like that. There's a helicoil in there. Put them in my hand, you'll not cross-thread them. Don't overtop them as well, you won't strip a thread. So it's designed to take 14 Newton meters. And somebody's probably went a bit crazy. They've probably cross-threaded it, to be honest with you. So there you go, what can you do? So nothing we can do, so we're just waiting the tyres. Obviously we need to fit the tyres to this tomorrow. We will recheck the oil on it again, we'll check the level, and we'll check the plug's not leaking, and then when it's brought down for MOT we'll ask them to check that. And we'll ask them to check that. I'm going to put a wee paint mark on it actually. I'll know if it's moved tomorrow or anything. Nothing I can do about the helicoil, that's been the previous technician. Take that Type R, bit of Type R paint here. Right, so I've got a wee line on there, so we'll be able to see what's going on. But definitely somebody stripped that in the past, so well, it's unfortunate, but hopefully it'll be okay. So anyway, again, big thumb, subscribe, have a great day.